The Empower program began in 2018 in response to the humanitarian crisis in Puerto Rico following Hurricane Maria. Those donations saved so many lives. We kickstarted that program by doing a Buy One, Donate One initiative for 2 weeks, where every product that was purchased was matched by another donation in the customer's name to a family in need. The stories that we heard in response to that changed our lives, and it was apparent the products had changed their lives as well. Puerto Rico was plagued with power outages for months, even years after the original disaster. As the lights went out around them, their life-sustaining medical devices stayed powered on and their life was preserved thanks to your purchases. Since 2018, the Empower program has touched lives all over the globe. From disaster zones here in the United States, to medical outposts in Haiti, even to remote villages in the Amazon, in the little country of Suriname. With what many people are calling the world's largest refugee crisis in Europe since World War II, the need is greater now than it ever has been.
So as you noticed, it's 6 o'clock and it's starting to get dusk. The power is not on. I mean, what are they using for? Candles? What? Candles.
Right now, the ask is for candles just to give them a little bit of light to study at night. Together, we can do better than that. Seeing the suffering that's happening right now led us to know that we needed to act. To that end, we're excited to announce another Buy One, Donate One initiative. These power stations provide much more than just light. They ensure that insulin stays cold, food doesn't perish, life-sustaining medical devices don't go dark when they're needed the most. Thanks to you, each donated product will be going where the need is the greatest. These lives will be changed, and yours will be too. On behalf of everyone at Inergy, happy holidays.